Right.
Some leaves. Where are some leaves? Bring it over more. Yeah. They're building. Thing I made, a little shim. Here, let me see. I got it.
Hi, babies. Why are you grabbing this extra?
Hello, bees.
You don't need to be burning.
All right, we got to put that box here. So, let me get this lighter going again. You want to crack it, and then I can.
It is cracks.
Get some smoke in it. Crack it more. That's fine. Crack it in the back.
Oh, geez.
No. Shouldn't be shooting. Got it? Come on over here.
Which side do you want?
Oh, I guess like this.
You want to tilt that or not?
Yeah. Well, let's see the bottom of it. Stuff is in there. So, I need to make drones of it. Yeah. Is this one even drawn out? It's not even drawn out. Okay. Well,
A lot of work to do.
yeah, they do. So we're guessing the queen's in this one.
Yeah.
And the brood. So.
We should move the... So, should we put that box up here maybe?
This one, we can stand it on the ground, you know, probably on its back, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So we know there's no brood, so there's going to be no queen in here. Yeah, put that on the ground, actually. Lay that flat on the ground. And we'll just stand it. Flip it around, hon. Flip it around. Yeah, and we'll lay it on its back, or whatever. We'll just get it off. Now I got to keep this slatted rack separate. Can you get it? Got it? Yourself? Nice, Dave, nice. Hold on, girls. Oh, fucking beetle. Take this. We don't have a home! Hold on, everybody. Go ahead. Get that off. Quickly. There's this. That's where we do the oxalic acid treatments. Okay.
Sorry, girls.
Okay, push it forward. Oh, not too far. Hold on. Get this dude on too. Bring the ones up. In there like that.
Just count these.
Okay. We have no home right now. Now we're gonna get this. Where's the front, hon? Is this the front?
Yes.
Let's pick this up.
Watch out, here we come. Get out of the way. Watch out.
Lay it down. We're on, right? Good, 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 good. All right, cool.
Okay, now we gotta find the queen.
Yeah. Now we gotta do some inspecciones. Some of them have like wings that are like weird. They don't have the form wings.
I see her.
You do?
I see her. I see her. She's on that one.
She's on there?
She's right there. She's right there.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Yeah. Wow, look at her. What a good girl.
Yay!
All right, good idea. Let's get
Okay.
everything back in. See? Oh, here it is. I guess I'll just lightly put it on top, right? What's great is that we have bees already in the upper. Trained. All right, let's get this
She
going.
has enough. Space to lay, right?
Yeah, looks like she does. Bottom. Got that? 1, 2, 3. Lined up good. Sweet. It's great. Well done. Where's the inner cover?
Good job, girls. Bring in the honey.
Bringing in the honey. Alright, this goes a certain way. Summer's up. Yeah, that's right, just like this. Please. There's that is. Here, come up here, honey, crack it here so we can smoke them. This whole thing's coming around. Ooh, holy shit, man. What the hell are you doing?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's fucking honey in there already.
Oh wow.
Alright. This is ridiculous.
This hive is nuts.
You got it? I got it. Just don't want it to go into the bees. That's it. I don't want the. All right, let's go backwards. Let's go over here. Keep going backwards. Keep going backwards over there. So that's 2 frames so far. Oh my God, can you believe it? They're doing that shit. I mean, the numbers tell me that she's got, these could all be brood. She's laying so good, man. Oh yeah, crazy. All right, what do we got? Honey, but how about some, right.
She could be on this one.
She could. Let's take a look. I can't see, but.
Oh, I see her.
Yeah,
She's
I see
right
her.
there.
Yep, I
Oh
see her.
my God.
All right,
Yay!
cool. Put her back in.
All right.
All right. Up and. You did?
Yes.
Nice, super nice. Has to be crazy because, yeah, again. Cover size. Let me get the smoker. Hone, hone, right?
Wait, there's a thing right there.
Oh, look at her. What a cutie. Good job, girl.
That's good.
How's her fins look? Her wings look good? Okay. All right. Well, what do we do?
Well, no, she's with me.
We want to put some,
Does she have run away?
well, maybe that's what I'm saying. We should, like, maybe, what's in this one? Let's pull this one up. This one is being honeyed.